Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a Instagram business page. And this is very simple if you will do the following steps that I will show you. Alright, tap right in the bottom on your profile, and from here tap on the three lines just right there in the top. Then scroll down and tap on account type and tools. From here tap on switch to professional account and then tap on continue, continue, continue and continue again. Then right here select the niche where you want to work in. For me it's an entrepreneur, that is fine, and you can display this on your account if you want that, but for me it's not necessary. And after that tap on done. Alright, then tap on creator or business. Now we want a business account, so tap on business and then tap on next. Alright, you can fill in your details if you want that, but I don't want to do that, so don't use my contact info and go further. Then I can log into Facebook, but from now it's not necessary again, so tap on skip. Then you will see here a list of a lot of things that you can fill in or can read. And if you tap on the cross just right there and refresh our page, we have a business account from now. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.